Do you have a small space but dream of having a garden? Enter vertical gardens, the perfect antidote to cramped spaces. They not only save space but also purify the air and add a touch of beauty to your surroundings. Imagine transforming your small area into a lush green oasis. Before you dive in, gather your gardening gear. First up, you'll need a vertical structure. This could be a wall, fence, or a specially designed gardening frame. Next, grab your potting mix, the lifeblood for your plants. Of course, you'll need the stars of the show, the plants themselves. Choose a variety that suits your environment and aesthetic. Finally, arm yourself with gardening tools like a trowel and gloves. With these materials at hand, you're ready to start your vertical garden journey. Now transform your space into a green paradise. Let's start by choosing the right location. Consider an area that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight a day and has access to water. Next, it's time to set up your vertical structure. You can use anything from a trellis to a wall-mounted system, depending on your space and preference. Once your structure is in place, add the potting mix. Ensure it's rich in nutrients to support your plant's growth. Now let's move on to the exciting part, planting. Choose a variety of plants based on light requirements and size. Remember, larger plants should be at the bottom while smaller ones at the top. Finally, caring for your garden is crucial. Regular watering, pruning, and feeding are key to a thriving vertical garden. Keep an eye out for any signs of pests or disease to nip any issues in the bud. And voila! You now have your own vertical garden in your small space. See how simple it is to create your own vertical garden? Embark on this journey not just for its space-saving appeal, but also for the joy and relaxation it brings. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and start your vertical garden today. Happy gardening!